helicopters, explosions, and screaming wounded. These sound like ingredients for a Hollywood war movie. Actually, they're all a part of a joint exercise between the State Department and Defense Department that took place on Ali Base in February. Both departments operate inside of Iraq. In Tallil, which is also known as Ali Base, the two organizations work together if there is ever a critical incident outside the wire. This exercise brought together all the major players that would respond to such an incident. So if something like this should really happen, they will already know how to work together.
It was a great idea to make sure that Dust Off and Rams and everyone can be involved and that we understand how each other operates. I think we're able to take elements that can act independently, put them all together to achieve one mission, which was a successful return, extrication, and treatment of injured personnel from the field. And regardless of what unit they belong to, Department of State or Department of Defense, I think this kind of training just goes to show how that's critical to our one-team mission here in Iraq.
The exercise began with a motorcade, which was attacked, followed by the security and medical responses from State Department agents, using both ground and air elements. Then a Rescue Air Mobility Squad, or RAMS, from the 407th Fire Department deployed to demonstrate their ability to cut into an up-armored vehicle.
We learned a lot about the up-armored vehicles. We don't see them back at home station, so it showed us what our capabilities were. We got to show our capabilities on how we get into the vehicles, and we got to learn the advantages and disadvantages of the up-armored and seeing how difficult it was to get into them.
Finally, the casualties were taken from the attack site to Cobb Adder's Combat Surgical Hospital for treatment. The organizations involved hope they continue working together conducting these exercises. Should a real incident occur, they're confident this training provides them the ability to save lives together. From Ali Base in Iraq, I'm Air Force Sergeant James Stewart.